No, we're going to continue to have some challenges. Together, we're confident we can overcome any obstacle that comes our way. We did it last year and we'll do it again this year. I'm lucky to be on a board that is passionate about the education of all of our students, who truly appreciates all of our amazing teachers, staff, custodians, bus drivers, Red Apple dining workers, and administrators. It takes a team effort to make us the best that we can be, and we can't thank them enough for all that they do. Speaking of teams, please allow me a brief moment to recognize my fellow school board members. School Board Vice Chair Amy Pennock, Member Dr. Tina Calderon, Member Christine Kraus, and Member Abby Sanchez. And I think I speak for all of us when I say that this day is always one of our favorites. At this time, I'm proud to introduce our new superintendent, Sarita Beeman, to say a few words. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I cannot tell you how excited I am to be on the very first day of school for the 21-22 school year as the superintendent of Seminole County Public Schools. I know that for many of our students and staff, the summer has just flown by, but I can't tell you how proud I was to be a part of the SCPS team last school year, as we did everything to overcome obstacles and put students first. And this year, we're going to do the same thing. This year is about keeping our students and our staffs in great, healthy learning environments and keeping everyone happy, healthy, and thriving. I am so excited to visit our schools today to make sure that we are providing that world-class education for all of our students. We're excited to do it. We're happy to have all of our students back. We can't wait to get this year started. So without further ado, I am going to ask all of our board members to come up and let's ring in this new year with our ceremonial bell ringing.